Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm at Good Planet, and we're off to pick some strawberries, some raspberries, and some blueberries. Oake tātou. Check out this amazing train. I want to go for a ride in it. What if I ride in this one? No, let's try another carriage. Maybe this carriage. No, still not good enough. I'm gonna drive the train. Come on. Okay, here we go, cuzzies. This is such an amazing place, E Te Whānau. We have strawberries, raspberries, we have blueberries. We're gonna go get them all today, E Te Whānau. Come on. Right, let's stop here. Whoa, this place is amazing. Look how many strawberry plants there are this way. And then look, there's even more this way. I wonder how many strawberries there are. There must be like a million, gazillion, trillion of them all. I wonder how many I can fit in my bucket. Come on. Whoa. Okay, one for the bucket, one for Buzz. Hey, if I eat enough strawberries, maybe I'll become a strawberry. I wonder what that would be like. That was different. That's a big bucket of strawberries. All right, now we're off to get raspberries. You've got to be really, really careful when you pick these raspberries. There's little thorns on them, and they can get stuck in your fingers. Oh, can't let go. And another one. I think we got enough. Time to get some blueberries. Check out all these blueberry plants, cuzzies. Check that out. Juicy. Cuzzies, I think we've got enough. Hey, what an amazing time I've had at Good Planet. I can't wait to share all my berries with all my friends. Ka kite anō.